Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for Binance account. If you'd want to protect your account security for Binance, then changing your password now and then is a great step. Keep watching the video till the end to learn the process on how to do it. Also, if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser in order to begin. Go to www.binance.com in the search box and make your search. Log into your Binance account if necessary, and once you are in, go to the profile icon at the top right. This will bring up a pop-up. Click on the security button, and on the next page, scroll all the way down until you see this advanced security tab, and right where it says login password, click on the change link right next to it. You'll need to enter your old password, which is the one that you are currently using, in order to change your password. In the first text box, type in your old password first, and now head over to the next field and type in the new password that you'd like to change to. While creating a password, make sure that your password meets these criteria displayed in the pop-up. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the next field. After you are done creating a password, click on the confirm button at the bottom, and you'll be able to change your password to a new one. It's pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you'll be able to change your password if you want to keep your account secure now and then. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.